Man, this shoe is starting to grow on me. I mean, it ain't all that and it ain't ugly. It's alright. But let's talk about it. Nike Air, more Uptempo 96 trading cards. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, your boy was on Nike sneakers app and I seen this shoe. I think it was about a week ago. Seen it and I overlooked it, didn't think nothing of it, and I came back to the app and I said, man, you know what? The shoe don't look that bad. Now, you know, it's a white shoe, so you know that white, that sole gonna get yellow quick. But I mean, for what they want for it, $160 is not bad. Your boy wouldn't mind having them in a collection. So Nike sneakers app say they're gonna release on the 16th, and Hibbett say the 18th of March. So I don't know what's what, but I'm gonna say for $160, I'm gonna say must cop. But if your boy don't get them, it is what it is. All right, Trey, what you think about these shoes, man? Talk to your boy. All right, appreciate it. They clean, you know what I'm saying? It's not a must cop for me, but they clean. Now, I used to have the cool gray midnight navy, and those are, the only thing bothering me about those shoes is the white Nike check in the toe box area. But as you can see here, I'm feeling these. This the Uptempo 720. They look crazy, but these ain't going nowhere. I love these. But yeah, I don't gotta have them. So what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Or y'all gonna try to get them? Or y'all gonna pass? Y'all let us know down there in the comment section below. All right, we out. Peace.